Taking better photos can be achieved through a combination of understanding the basic principles of photography and practicing various techniques. Here are some tips to help you take better photos. 1. Get to know your camera. Understanding your camera's features, settings, and limitations is essential to taking better photos. 2. Use natural light. Natural light is usually the best for photography, so try to shoot during the golden hours, which are the first hour after sunrise and the last hour before sunset. 3. Keep it steady. Use a tripod or brace yourself against a stable object to prevent camera shake and blurry photos. 4. Use the rule of thirds. When framing your shot, imagine the image divided into thirds both horizontally and vertically, and place the subject at the intersection points. 5. Experiment with angles. Try shooting from different angles and heights to create more interesting compositions. 6. Pay attention to composition. Consider the placement of objects, lines, and shapes within your frame to create a visually pleasing image. 7. Experiment with depth of field. Adjusting the aperture settings on your camera can create different depths of field, allowing you to selectively focus on specific parts of the image. 8. Keep it simple. Try not to overcrowd your frame with too many elements, which can make the photo look cluttered and confusing. Well, these are some tips to start photography as a beginner and practice. The more you take photos, the better you'll become. Experiment with different techniques and settings, and learn from your mistakes.